friends, so it's Sue from Quintessential Sue LLC on Etsy, and I am here to help you today when it comes to wearing ear cuffs, and more specifically, the basic ear cuff that I have recently started selling. So, when you get the ear cuff, it's going to kind of look like, that, all right? And this is it from this side, okay? And the first thing you're going to notice is that there's a little bend right here on this side. Do you see that? Okay. And the reason why I have the little bend is because it then hooks a little bit better to your ear. Okay. Um, and then there's the little loops on the back, and they loop out as opposed to looping in. And that's because this ear cuff is actually quite versatile. It's kind of a twofer because you can separate the wires. Okay, if you want to make it look like you've got two, or you can scrunch them together. And I'm going to say that's the technical term for it, is scrunching. Okay, so I like to wear them separated, so that's what I'm going to do. And I apologize. This is my first time doing a video of this sort, so hopefully you're catching everything. So anyway, I've separated the wires for myself, and let's go ahead and put it on. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull it back, pull the little loops back a little bit. That's the way that I do it, to open it so that you can get it onto your ear. Let's do this side. So what you do is this side with the little bend is going to be in the front. Okay. So you're going to start, I typically start kind of up here, all right, push it in and down into place. This is about where I'm going to put it. And all you do is just pinch it. You pinch it together. You don't want it to hurt, but you want it to be snug, okay? And so there we go. Now it's snug. And honestly, I have a tendency to forget I have this thing on. Okay? So that's how you put it on. You might be then asking, okay, Sue, so how do I take it off when I want to take it off? Glad you asked. Here we go. Okay? I take my little itty bitty fingernail. I need a manicure bad. I take my fingernail and I kind of hook it underneath, and I just pull it. All right. That's just how it works for me. And yes, you're going to see that it's misshapen. And you know why that is? Because we all have different ears. Our ears are all different. And this is the way that it looks in order to fit my ear and, be appropriate for my ear. When you go to put it back on next time, again, you're just going to pull the little loop side. Okay. See, I've got it opened up. And again, you're going to start up here, put it into place, and pinch, just so that it's nice and snug. And there we go. Easy enough, right? All right. I hope that was helpful for you, and we will catch you another time. Thanks.